Imgflip.com is a popular website that allows users to create, share, and customize memes online. It offers a wide range of meme templates, as well as tools for adding text, images, and other elements to create personalized memes. Users can browse through existing memes, create their own, and share them across various social media platforms. Additionally, Imgflip.com provides features for creating GIFs, image captions, and other humorous content. It's a go-to platform for those looking to engage in meme content for online communities. With Imgflip you can access the biggest meme template database on the internet for your memes and GIFs, constantly updated by users as new memes are created and evolve. Upload your own custom images too. Create graphics templates and meme text variations using AI. Add text, stickers, drawings, spacing padding, special image effects, and more. Certainly. Imgflip.com is a versatile platform primarily known for its meme-making capabilities, but it offers a range of other features as well. Here's more detail about what you can do on Imgflip.com. Meme Generator. Imgflip provides a vast library of meme templates covering a wide range of topics and themes. Users can select a template and add their own captions or modify existing ones to create custom memes. Customizable options. Users can customize various aspects of their memes, including text size, font style, text color, and the placement of text boxes. This allows for creative freedom and personalization in meme creation. Image editing tools. In addition to meme generation, Imgflip.com offers basic image editing tools such as cropping, resizing, rotating, and adding filters. These tools can be useful for refining images before turning them into memes or other forms of content. GIF Maker. Imgflip includes a GIF Maker tool that allows users to create animated GIFs from videos or image sequences. Users can specify the duration, frame rate, and other settings to customize their GIFs. Meme templates. Apart from meme generation, users can browse through an extensive collection of meme templates for inspiration or entertainment. These templates cover a wide range of popular meme formats and themes. Community and sharing. Users can share their created memes directly from Imgflip.com to various social media platforms or download them for offline use. The platform also features a community aspect where users can browse, comment on, and vote for memes created by others. Pro features. While many features on Imgflip.com are free to use, there is